What's going on, guys? I'm back with another room tour for you guys. So I'm here in spring, or should I say I'm here in Texas for a couple of days, and we decided to stay at the Marriott Courtyard. So let's get started again. As you just saw just a minute ago, that was the room I'm staying in on the second floor. Beautiful view, I'll show you in a minute here. And let's start with the door. Obviously we have a standard door, you know, your emergency exit and whatnot. I'm not sure what this float is. I think this must be for this particular hinge. Maybe they must have just greased it. But anyway, no big deal. It's not causing any harm. We do have a little door stopper here. We always got lock. And your standard do not disturb stuff. So you see that here. So we got master switches. It's a good thing. All right, right from the door, let's go to the right, and we enter the bathroom. These bottles of water did not come with the room, these right here, and the reason being is because I actually purchased these at the truck stop next there because it's a bit more cheaper, if you may. So we have towels, obviously, sockets to plug in your stuff, tissue, nice little setup here to wash your face and brush your teeth and whatnot. You know, normally I'm used to seeing like drawers underneath here, but there's none, so no big deal. And towel. Okay, do we have anything else in the back here? Yes, we do. All right, we got our hair dryer. Yeah, hair dryer. Nice little what's it called, toilet or John. This is what I was always been looking for. This is very important to put down here to avoid slipping and sliding when lathering up yourself. So that's a very good thing, Marriott. And I like this kind of like setup as well. It's like a little sauna kind of thing. And here, this seems like some sort of an outer layer which gives it a nice texture, look like a woody type of thing. And we have soap and conditioner and shampoo from North 39 degrees, and a little, what is that, colder shower head. Pretty nice, pretty nice. These hang to reuse. So let's go back out, and from the front door, so I could see, this is the room. Beautiful king bed. Me in the mirror over there. We don't have no door here, so that's a good thing. See, we have something here to. We got more pillows and a comforter and sheets and whatnot. Oh, we could do laundry as well. Seems like. Yeah, cleaning service, ironing board, pretty standard. Yeah, this is the room. Empty drawers, put in your clothes, I'm assuming. Yeah, don't worry about my stuff. Nice little setup here. You could do some working if required. Standard, nice. This looks like a, I don't know, I'm not sure, it's like a 36 or 30, 36, 38 inch TV could be. And this is what I was speaking about. $5 for a bottle of water. Yeah, I'm sorry, Marriott. I bought my own water, I'm sorry. But this is the first time I'm seeing this here, this setup. I'm not sure if it's a sofa bed or not. But you know, obviously you could chill and have your breakfast and put your breakfast down and eat. And I'm not sure if this is a, yes it is. It's a sofa bed. So maybe that's why they have that additional, that's why they have the additional bed sheeting and bedding and stuff like that. And we got free coffee, dark roast. Do we have any tea? Yeah. A lot of them American places, they're not fond of tea, it seems. Alright, little thing for ice. Coffee maker. Obviously I'm going to be using my water for this because I do not appreciate the chlorine taste in my water. I don't like it. And oh, we have microwave and a fridge. Is it empty? It's cool and it's empty, and then there's a fridge. Oh wow, I'm impressed. Nice. This is nice, tucked away so you don't have to see all of that. It was nicely tucked away in this little thing. And here is what I'm talking about, the view. So right next door we have the Residence Inn, and it's enough. The Residence Inn and the Courtyard is very is tucked away in a very peaceful place called, I think it's called the Springwood Village. I'll put a name somewhere on my face somewhere because I'm terrible with names these last couple of days. Furthermore, I mean, they say from IAH airport to this place was about, we took a Uber and it was about maybe 35 minutes, 40 minutes more or less. It cost us about $35. So I need to say it's great for if you're traveling here for business or whatever. I forgot to mention, on the other side of the Fairfield Inn, Residence Inn, on the other side of it there is a CVS, so you could, need to get your allergy medicines and whatnot, and hey, what may have you, that works out. So yeah, this is a very comfortable bed as well. Marriott standard. I don't expect anything less from them. Marriott has always been very professional, clean. I have not seen any type of like cigarette butts burnt in the floor like certain places you go, like for example a Holiday Inn Express. Everything seems to be good, fairly kept well in good condition. I do not smell any muskiness from the carpet, so that's also a good thing. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention there's also a alarm clock in the corner there, if that's your type of thing. I normally use my phone or my watch or something, but hey, you never know. Well, that's it. If you guys like this little room tour, give it a thumbs up. If you guys don't like it, you know what to do. If you guys would like to see more of this type of content, hit me up in the comments down below. And always, take it easy. All right, later.